Okay, again measuring the weighted trolley. Okay. So, in case you hadn't gathered, we're going to measure the speed again on this machine here. Well, let's put the camera on. Switch this camera on a minute. Oh. Pardon me. Okie dokie. Picking a pokey. Right. So this camera here, you can't see now. This camera here is going to be recording the digital readout, the speed, the time it takes for this trolley to pass between that point there, can you see, that point there, and one that's just behind the recorder you can't see. Anyway, over the measured distance of 413 millimeters. There's nothing significant about 413 millimeters, just where it happened to be on the day when I measured it, you know, like a random distance. So now and this trolley is going to be launched by this spring fixed to the back of it, which will locate in this gold looking thing here. It will locate on that, so it's always from the same place every time, against this solid wooden board. The table is fixed to the wall so it can't rattle about too much, because that can affect the results a bit. So I've got various mechanisms to... Oh, hang on, what's gone wrong there? Oh, it felt tight. Yeah, it wasn't. It was at the wrong angle. Right, okay, so I've got various mechanisms to lock it in place. So, I've got various mechanisms to lock... I'm talking shit now. I've got a mechanism to lock it in place. So I'll just release the mechanism, time it, make a note. Piece of cardboard. Pen, piece of cardboard. That'll do. Right, so I think we're ready to go, aren't we? Piece of cardboard. Oh, wrong camera. Piece of cardboard. Right then, time's on. So we've got 2 kilograms, 4 kilograms. Do about 10, I suppose. Yeah. Right, so 4 kilograms start. Okay, 4 kilograms at first. Okay. Set to 0. Go. That's 1202. Okay. 1202. Return to 0. One one 8 1188. Return to 0. 1189. Return to 0. Go. 1137. Return to 0. Now we're having a misfire time. Misfire. Stop. What's happening here? I think I've got a bit of a dodgy contact there. Try again. Do you know that last one didn't look right, did it? I was kind of anticipating it. I thought we get how we do for a misfire. Because 1137, that's way out from where it should be. I think that's a bit of a fluke one, because I think the yeah, 1188, yeah, they should be more regular like that. I think that was a fluke. I think there's something wrong with that, because there's a breakdown after that one. I put a little X there to remind me. That there was a breakdown immediately after that reading, so that suggested that reading there was already something wrong with it. It's just the contacts, you have to give them a little bit of a rub sometimes. Yeah, they stick or whatever. Yeah, so 1188. Yeah, 1188 again. Yeah, when you get some readings that are way out from the norm, you have to view them with suspicion, you think. Blaming it on your own equipment, really, I think. One 191. Return to 0. 1171. More like it, isn't it? Yeah, you can kind of tell when the readings are reasonable, you know, not too shabby. One 1193. 1193. One 1189. 1189. One 1185. Oops. Return to 0. 1189 again. One 1166. Oh. Return to 0. 1187. Make sure this camera's still working. Yeah, Is it recording now? Yeah. Return to 0. 1188 again, common reading, isn't it? One one eight eight. One one eight eight again. 1188. These are very close readings, some of these. It's quite a good little system we've got here, do you not think? I think it's not a bad system I've come up with, so if I do say so myself, because no fucker else is going to praise me for it, are they? Return to 0. 1188 again. So there's such a regularity about this now, isn't there? And again. 1193. Pardon me. 1193. So we say counting backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, I think there's one there we need to disregard because it was immediately before breakdown. It's nowhere near all the others. So I think we should discount that X one. But can you see? But all the others at the bottom, they're dead regular, aren't they? 193, 188, 188, 188, 187, 166, 189, 185, 189, 193, 171, can't read, 191, 188, 137, that's the odd one, isn't it? 189, 188, that first one is an odd one as well, to be honest, as well, 1202, yeah, that's when it had been stuck in the thing for a while, oh no it wasn't, no. Anyway, whatever. But it's the only one out of that that goes over one, that doesn't begin with 111. So I think that we need to disregard that and all. Freak readings don't help anybody, do they? Really? Because if Gary's right, it doesn't help Gary either, does it? Now then. So now we just need to take out the. Sorry. Need to take out all that weight and put it back down to 2 kilograms, okay. Here we go again. Come on. So take out that weight. That was a piece of paper. That. And that. See, that was what was in it to make it heavy. Well, one of the things. And off we go again, then, isn't it, really? Yeah. So. 864. Eight, 6, 4. Go on, little bastard. 828. 845. Have you noticed already it's harder to get an accurate reading of the fast ones, isn't it? There's already more discrepancy between them. Eight, 4, 4. 8, 4, 4. Oh. 8, 4, 5. Right, oh, these are getting quite regular, aren't they? We've had that one before. 8, 4, 5. Eight, 4, 5 again. Yeah. Oh, we've had 8, 4, 5. We've had. You can see 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 4, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5. So not bad at all, actually, considering all things. Eight, 4, 3. Look, Gary, even though you might disagree, you might say, oh, this has got resistance, this has got friction. The low friction wheels out of a hard drive. I mean, for fuck's sake. But even if you do think it's not to laboratory standards, which it isn't, it's not meant to be. I'm just an ordinary guy doing my best to try and verify whether you're right or you're wrong, and so far it appears that you're wrong. Yeah, it could turn around, I suppose, but I don't have faith that it will. Could be wrong. I could have egg on my face. But anyway, what was I going to say? I had something to say. It's gone now. That's right. I'll better write this reading down before I forget it. Sorry, what was it? 8, 4, 3. 8, 4, 3. Yeah, I was just going to say, at least we've got some information to go on, don't we now? At least we've got some. Because otherwise, if we leave it to you, we won't have any. Wouldn't have any information, would we? Just what you've made up. No, what you've made up might be right, but tests seem to say something else. Why should we trust what you've made up? 8, 3, 1. Isn't it better to trust? Isn't it better to trust 8, 3, 1? Actual machines than your guesswork. Eight, 2, 7. Why is it going faster now? That's weird, isn't it? Eight, 2, 8. See, these are now the regular readings, aren't they? It's like something's changed. 8, 2, 8. What changed there? I leaned on the table. Could that have made a difference? can't see how, but why is the reading suddenly started to change again? They were dead regular at first, weren't they? 8, 4, 5 now. Now they're dropping out and they're getting faster. 8, 10. Yeah, I'm beginning to be suspicious now that something's changed. Why are the readings going down all of a sudden? Weird, isn't it? Eight, 2, 6. Yeah, they're all low again now, aren't they? Weird. 8, 2, 6. Oops. Still, mine is not the reason why. Back up to 847. Eight 4 See, it's gone back up to the other ones again now, isn't it? Isn't that weird? 844. Yeah, around the 845 mark. Eight 4 6. Yeah. Why is that happening? It's just gone back up. 846. I mean, it's only about 20. It's only about 20 difference, isn't it? 20 milliseconds. But it feels like a lot when you're writing the figures down. Eight 4 6 again. Yeah, so steady Eddie again, isn't it? Eight 4 6 again. Eight 4 7 again. Nearly done now, I think. Not much room left on the piece of cardboard, so might as well fill it up. 8 4 6 again. Oh god, that was a freak one. That can't be right. 809. That's not even. That must be vibration. I'll write it down, but I think we need to discount that really because that's definitely a freak. That's nowhere near anything we've had before. 809. So I suspect that it means that the next run the contacts might break down. That's usually the case, isn't it? That we have a misfire. No, 848. But yeah, there was obviously something right. I won't count that either. But I'll from when we got that misreading, that was obviously misreading 809. When you look at the ones we had before, counting backwards, we had 846, 847, 846, 846, 846, 844, 847, 847, yeah, 826, 810, 828. Oh, tell that we have had an 808 before, haven't we? Oh, perhaps I should include that then, because we have had 810. Yeah, I was lying. Sorry, I thought we hadn't had anything like low. We have. So put the 846 in then, as well then. So 848 then. Okay. Yeah, my bad. 809. Yeah. Okay, we'll call that it though anyway. So there you go. That's the list of numbers we've got. So you can't see them properly, can you? So I'll type them into a calculator, work out what the averages are. I've not done a regular amount, have I? So but if you can see the numbers, you can do it yourself if you want to make sure I've done it right. Okay, and make sure to stop this camera. Hope it was still working. Yes, it was still working. Okay. Just give it one more go, just for good measure. I can't resist it. I'm kind of enjoying doing it, if I'm honest. It's a bit of fun. It's a bit like playing with a toy train set, isn't it? Really. I'm a big kid, aren't I? Really. I've built myself a train set, haven't I? Choo choo. 845. Yeah, so it is doing the same as before, yeah. 845. Just one more. Just one more. I'm enjoying it now. 848. I suppose I'm enjoying it because it's working out. It's quite a nice setup, do you not think, really? It's not too bad, it's not too shabby considering it's just a fucking old bloke who Gary says is crazy. It's not really an insult, Gary, to call me crazy. You do know that. Crazy. Oh. He's got some fucking nerve, hasn't he? When you look at the things he's said and done, and he calls me crazy. Fucking hell. Anyway, so what was that again? Did I write that down? No, 848. Put it down. Right, I've run out of cardboard. I've run out of cardboard, so I've got no choice now, ever. So, stop that machine. Stop. And stop this as well and all. Thank you for watching. I've got to go to the calculator now. Okay, so again. 1188 plus 1189 plus 1188 plus 1191 plus 1171 plus 1193 plus, this is like the Eurovision Song Contest results coming in, isn't it? 1189 plus 1185 plus 1189 plus 1166 plus 1187 plus 1188 plus, and again 1188 plus, and again 1188 plus, and then finally 1193 equals that. Then you divide that by 15. Let me just double check it's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Divide it by 15 equals 1186.2. Yeah, so I was right this time. So the first time I did the calculation, not quite right. I'm glad I've done it again though. Make sure you get it right. So now we do the 2 kilogram one. Okay. 864 plus 828 plus 845 plus 844 plus 845 again plus 845 again plus 843 plus 831 plus 827 plus 828 plus 810 plus 826 plus 847 plus 844 plus 846 plus 846 again plus 846 yet again plus 847 plus 846 again plus 809 plus 84, what's that say, 8 plus 845 plus 848 equals 1930. So then I count how many we've got to divide that by. So we'll go, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So divide that by 23. Divide that by 23 and it equals 839 point. Yeah, that looks familiar. Yeah, 839.5 around it's up to, didn't it? Yeah, so that one's been checked twice now and correct. The other one's been checked twice now and correct. So now I divide the 4 kilogram one on the left, 1186.2. I divide 839.5, let's say, into that, don't I? So 1186.2 divided by, are you ready for this? 839.478, it's near enough, isn't it? Equals, wow, 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 wow. Could that have been any closer? Wow. Could that have been any closer? Oh dear. For Gary, I mean, oh dear. That is, because it's supposed to be 1.414 and it's 1.413. Well, yeah, I've got to admit I feel a bit smug now. Yeah. I shouldn't do because I'll never go to heaven. I'll never go to heaven if I'm going to be smug. Well, fuck it. Gary's been smug enough times, hasn't he? Fucking hell. And he's always ended up having to backtrack either the next day or 6 months later when he realised he's been talking shit. Well, he's been talking shit here, hasn't he? So wow, I'm fucking taking a photograph of that. I'm fucking framing that. Wow, 1.413 versus 1.414. I am fucking elated with that. That's fucking good. That is. That's fucking good. Well, I feel vindicated, you know. Wow. 1.41.